Hello everyone, my name is Vui. I am a member of BCK4 Sunshine Communication Group. Today I am going to introduce about the rule to pronounce ed ending. There is a question: how do you pronounce the ed? To answer the question, today I introduce about the rule to pronounce ed ending. There is 3 rules to pronounce ed ending. The first rule, after an unvoiced consonant, if rough and in the voiceless sound, for example, when they cause the ed ending of the words, they will be pronounced as the voiceless sound. For example, brush, brushed, dance, danced, work, worked. The second rule, after a vowel or voice consonant, if rough and in the voice sound, for example, b, g, v, z, o. When they cause the ed ending of the words, they will be pronounced as the voice sound, d. For example, play, blade, close, closed, clean, cleaned. The final rule, after the sound t, ud, if rough ending in the sound t, ud, when they cause the ed ending of the words, they will be pronounced as the syllable ed. For example, wait, wait, paint, paint, want, want. It's very easy to remember. I hope you practice them every day. Thanks for watching.